Are you looking for a 3-bedroom plus study in District 19 for below 1.6 mil? Hi, I'm Bala from OrangeTee and Thai AEG Division. Today, let me present to you Kingsford Waterbay, located at Upper Serangoon View. TOP just 3 years ago in 2018, this relatively new condo have a total of 1,165 units, and it comprises of 1 to 5 bedrooms and 8 strata houses. Developed by Kingsford Property Development, it comes with full condo facilities with the convenience of free shuttle bus service for its residents to Hougang Mall and MRT station, which is just a 4 minutes drive. With only 14 units of 3+ study in this whole development, come, join me to check out this rare gem. It's a corner unit with a spacious layout of 1,023 square feet and was renovated for almost 100k with additional built-in cabinets at the foyer, living, dining and study room for additional storage spaces. Thoughtfully designed and built with the extended breakfast counter in front of the kitchen, it makes it super convenient for school-going children and working adults to grab their quick bites before stepping out. The living hall is decorated with good quality wallpaper, comes with marble flooring and a customized built-in TV console. Balcony comes with unblocked pool view, and with a good quality zip track done up, you can create the perfect alfresco dining to enjoy the view. All the rooms comes with engineered timber flooring and are fitted with top-notch ceiling fan and can easily fit a queen-size bed. Even the toilets are fitted with additional lightings to create a hotel feel. Enjoy the pocketed view of the river from your master bedroom. And enjoy a healthy lifestyle with direct connectivity to the park connector at your doorstep, which links all the way to Punggol Park and Coney Island. Take a 5 minutes short walk to Hougang Cape View to shop at fair price and to enjoy the variety of eateries and amenities there. Residents can enjoy a life of even better and easier connectivity with the upcoming integrated hub at Hougang. Surrounded by popular schools such as CHIJ, Punggol Primary, Montfort Junior and many more, Kingsford Waterbay is the ideal homes for families. If you are looking for immediate move-in with minimal renovation costs and a condo less than 5 years old, quickly give me a call now for an exclusive tour of this unit, and I will be delighted to share with you more information. Signing off for now, I'm Bala from OrangeTee and Thai AEG Division. You'll never walk alone in your property journey with me.